Point-slope form is another way that we can write the equations of lines. We have already used slope-intercept form, which, as a reminder, is y equals mx plus b. We've also seen standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. And today we are going to use point-slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m, our slope, times x minus x1. Now, these x1 and y1 values are going to be actual numbers that we use from a point to write our equation of a line. For our first example, we are going to find the equation of the line that passes through the point 1, 2 and has a slope of 3. So up here I'm going to write our point-slope form. And we are going to plug in the information that we have to write our equation. Now we know, and we should be used to the fact that slope is m. So our m here is 3, and then they've given us the point 1, 2. So we're going to call this our x1 and this our y1, because remember, with our coordinate points we always write them as x, y. So if I use my equation, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, all I'm doing here is plugging in 3 for my m, 1 for my x1, and 2 for my y1. So my answer would be written as y minus 2 equals 3 times x minus 1. And that's it. This is when we would leave it in point-slope form. Now we can also use this form to rewrite our equation and make it slope-intercept form, and I'm going to show you an example of that really quick. Find the equation of the line that passes through the point 8, 4 and has a slope of negative 4. So I'm going to rewrite point-slope form for us. Eight is our x1, 4 is our y1, and our slope is negative 4. So I'm going to rewrite this as y minus 4 equals negative 4 times x minus 8. Alright, and so we want to put this in slope-intercept form, which we should be very familiar with as y equals mx plus b. Since we don't know our b value, we are just going to rewrite our point-slope form into this form where y is by itself, which we should be very familiar with solving equations. I'm going to distribute the negative 4 to make this negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 8 would be positive 32. Make sure you watch for your signs on that part. And this side's going to stay the same. Now to get y by itself, all I have to do is add the 4 over to both sides, and we get y equals negative 4x plus 36. This would be my final answer. Now this equation and this equation is the same line, it's just written in two different forms. So you must be able to leave it in point-slope form sometimes, or pay attention to where we want slope-intercept form. And that's it.